Would you like to 5x, 10x, 50x, or maybe even 100x your money with cryptocurrency? Does this sound too good to be true? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 altcoins that I believe genuinely have 10 to 100x potential. But please understand I'm not a financial advisor. In full disclosure, we do hold these cryptocurrency assets. Cryptocurrency trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And nothing in this video is financial advice, rather just my opinion. So if you're excited about altcoins and you're ready to learn, all I need you to do is smash the like button for the algorithm and follow for more because it's free. So why not? Thanks for your support. If we get to 10,000 likes on this video, we'll do a massive giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. This morning, we got some great news, and the cryptocurrency market has certainly responded to it, and that's why I'm sharing this video here with you today. These videos are very time sensitive, so make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel as I make videos like this every single day for you. Now, CPI raises to 2.9, which is in line with expectation, but the core CPI fell to 3.2, below expectation of 3.3. Overall, this is good for the markets. The worst case, which was a hot print, was avoided, and core CPI coming in under was a nice surprise. Markets are already reacting. The show goes on. And you can see here that Bitcoin reclaimed 99,000 just a few minutes ago. And you can also see here that many altcoins are starting to explode. What are those altcoins? Well, one of which we shared with you in a video last 2 weeks is Toshi. Now, Toshi is the face of Base and Brian Armstrong's beloved cat. And we have some huge news. You can see here, assets added to the roadmap, Toshi. You can see here in this article that the roadmap here, assets on the Ethereum blockchain, QCAD, Solana network will be Peanut the Squirrel, and then assets to the Base network is going to be Toshi. So Toshi is most likely going to be on Coinbase very soon, one of the first Base coins, and that's absolutely huge. And you can see this candle was absolutely massive on this news. So congratulations if you have been accumulating this crypto, because Toshi went literally 300 or 400% in the profits overnight. Now, it has certainly come down a little bit, but I believe this coin sitting at a $124 million market cap could go into the billions, which would put Toshi at a 10 to maybe even a 25x from the time of this recording. Now, I wanted to give you even more alpha, and your second coin has to be Mochi. Now, Mochi is also named after the Coinbase CEO's cat and the receiver of a grant from Coinbase. So if Toshi just received a listing here on Coinbase, I believe that Mochi might be following up next. And if you take a look at the chart of Mochi, this is also up 48% on the day, but this is only a $12 million market cap. Liquidity is over 500,000, and you can see here that the volume has certainly picked up for this crypto project, over 365,000 for the buy versus 300,000 for the sell. Now, the cool thing about Mochi is that they have a lot of utility that goes along with their coin. You can see here that they are based on Base as well, and they have a variety of different things to really pay attention to, especially with the tokenomics. There's no tax, locked LP, safe contract. Again, all the things that I believe Coinbase would like to see. And you can see here that they are on Base's layer 2. So again, I believe that Coinbase is going to be wanting to list a lot of these coins. They have an inspector bot, they have NFTs, and they also have a grant from Coinbase. So again, a lot of these things here. They also have a roadmap here that is showing me that there's more than just some meme coin. But again, at a $12 million valuation, this is one that I genuinely believe could do 50 to maybe even 100x. Now, your next coin has to be the smashing of the like button altcoin. No, I'm just kidding, but thanks for your support. It has to be Lingo. Now, we are ambassadors, full disclosure, and holders of the Lingo token, but for good reason. Let me share with you why. They recently came out with their product roadmap, and here in January, they have their New Year's Power Mile booster going. The weekly raffles worth over $100,000 in rewards, partnership airdrop distribution, RWA acquisitions, as well as the major kicker, the Solana token launch. Now, I literally shared yesterday on X multiple different reasons why I believe that this coin was about to break out. Here was the triangle formation, and you can see here was at 34 cents. Today, Lingo is now breaking this triangle, and I believe if it gets above this resistance of approximately 41 to 42 cents, this is where we could see some very nice movement here. And again, that would be the upward trajectory, retesting all-time highs. It would look like something like this. We may even then get, a cup and handle before potentially heading heading to new all-time highs. I would not be surprised to see this pattern play out. Again, this is just pure speculation at this time, but if the market turns bullish, this is kind of the pattern it looks like it could potentially happen. And with February having the world's most rewarding platform launch, mainstream audience activation of over 100 different celebrities and brand ambassadors, as well as their exclusive membership coming in March, more and more is coming for this project. And looking at the tokenomics, a $45 million market cap for Lingo is absolutely peanuts when it comes to its competition. Some of these coins are genuinely in the billions of valuation, so I genuinely think Lingo could 50, maybe even 100x as well. Now, your next coin is an AI coin that has some breaking news as well. An exciting announcement is coming for LKI holders and stakers. Something big is dropping very soon, and I think I know exactly what that might be. According to their X account, they have created a new CFO AI agent called Athena X9. If you don't know, AI agents have been absolutely exploding as of recently, and Athena X9 is the first of its kind CFO AI agent built on Laika AI's infrastructure and powered by advanced AI. So what can this do? You can track your favorite influencers across all platforms, customize autonomous weekly analysis reports, AI DEX trading for perpetual spot, and also there's going to be LKI holder benefits. All holders are going to be eligible for an airdrop, extra rewards for stars, and details are going to be coming soon. It's also going to be launching on Base. And if we take a look at the technicals here, you can see that we have clearly flipped this range now into clear support. So we are now in a new range here, and if we break this range high, which is approximately 3 cents and a 5.6, this is where we could see even higher price targets. And this is what I think could potentially happen here with the new exciting announcements that I just shared with you. Now, you can also see that the LKI token literally is sitting at only a $13 million market cap, making it a micro cap and only a $30 million valuation compared to other cryptos that we've talked about recently on the channel, like ChainGPT, which is also doing very well, flipping this now into support, sitting at 39 cents. This has a valuation of over $300 million. Same thing here with Cookie 3. We recently talked about Cookie 3 literally at 3 cents. It's now trading at 58 cents and $188 million market cap. So if the LKI token ended up going all the way to those heights, which again, for the airdrop as well as potential utility for this crypto, you're looking at a 15 to 20x, if not more. That is why I believe that this coin could genuinely do a 25x at this time. And your fifth and final coin here in today's video has to be one that hasn't even launched yet, giving you the opportunity to learn about it here with us first, and that is Xyro. Now, this is a unique AI-powered trading platform revolutionizing crypto with Web3 gamification. It's also backed by some of the biggest in crypto today at Animoca Brands and CoinMarketCap. They currently have over 600,000 followers and have been on some of the biggest cryptocurrency incubators and launchpads today. Now, the XYRO token generation event and new details will be coming soon, and the snapshot is extended if you want to get some of these tokens. So make sure to keep following here on the channel, as well as keep coming back to their X account to learning even more. But I genuinely believe that this crypto has 50 to maybe even 100x potential as well. Now, because you stayed all the way to the end of the video, I wanted to do another massive giveaway here for us here in this video, because I know you've been smashing up that like button, you've subscribed to the channel. We have for the next 30 days an exclusive new user event with CoinW. Simply click the link down below. It is a referral link, but that's how we're able to track and get you these awesome bonuses. And this is where you can buy, sell, and trade a lot of the cryptocurrencies we discuss here on our channel. All you have to do is register and open an account to receive $50 as a super bonus, and you also then need to deposit $100 to receive a $100 USDT super bonus. And if you complete a one spot or futures trade, you'll receive $200 in bonuses. That's right, literally by doing these 3 steps, which could take you literally a matter of minutes, you can earn up to $350 in bonuses simply by doing this today. Now again, make sure that you do all of the steps, and you must click my own referral link down below. That is very important for you to get these super bonuses. But again, I want to give back here to our community. It's very simple, easy to sign up. There is no KYC process at this time either. Again, time is running out, so make sure that you do take action on this if you want to get some very sweet extra bonus crypto here. And again, these extra monies here, you can go buy, sell, and trade any of the cryptocurrency assets that we've discussed in today's video or any of our other videos. But remember, I'm not telling you to do that. You need to make your own decisions and do your own research into these cryptocurrency projects. And if you want to see which cryptocurrencies I'm buying next in 2025 in our VIP portfolio, simply click the links down below and join us in VIP. Many of my students are in massive profits already the last few years, and I believe we're going to absolutely crush it here in this year. And right now, our online course is on a massive 75% off discount. So simply click the links down below and join us in VIP. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next videos.